About this item: 6-in-1 EU power adapter. The European travel plug adapter turns one European Type-C outlet into 3 standard American outlets, 2 USB-A and 1 USB-C charging port, max capacity up to 2500 watt, max 250 volt, 10A, 3 USB ports can charge up to 3.1A, allowing you charge 6 devices simultaneously. Ideal for cell phone, tablet, power bank, and other electrical chargers. No need to carry extra adapter and power strip for your traveling. A small US to Europe plug adapter can save your suitcase space. US to Europe travel plug adapter. Our Italy travel plug adapter compatible with most European countries such as Austria, Belgium, Croatia, Denmark, Finland, France, Germany, Spain, Turkey, Iceland, Italy, Israel. More country list can be checked in description. Note: not work in UK/Ireland/Scotland. USB-C fast charge. The plug extender total output of 3 USB ports is 5.